Are you looking to land a job in the dynamic world of Python programming? Whether you're a fresher, an experienced professional, or an advanced coder, there's a Python job out there for you. Let's dive into the opportunities available for every skill level. For freshers, entry-level Python roles often include positions like junior developer, data analyst, and quality assurance engineer. You'll need a solid understanding of Python basics, familiarity with libraries like pandas and NumPy, and a knack for problem solving. Key skills for these roles include basic Python programming, data manipulation, understanding of algorithms, basic SQL knowledge, problem-solving abilities. Moving up the ladder, experienced professionals can explore roles such as data scientist, software engineer, and web developer. These positions require advanced knowledge of Python frameworks like Django and Flask, as well as skills in machine learning, data visualization, and database management. Essential skills include proficiency in Python frameworks, machine learning algorithms, data visualization tools, database management, API integration. For advanced and specialized roles, think positions like AI engineer, DevOps engineer, and senior data scientist. These jobs demand deep expertise in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and big data technologies. Mastery of Python, along with tools like TensorFlow, Kubernetes, and Hadoop, is crucial. Key skills for these roles include deep learning and AI cloud services, AWS Azure, big data technologies, advanced Python libraries, containerization, Docker Kubernetes. Top companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, and Amazon are constantly seeking Python talent. Your skills in Python could land you a job at these industry leaders. To prepare for these opportunities, practice coding regularly, contribute to open source projects, and stay updated with the latest Python trends. Utilize platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and GitHub to hone your skills. And don't forget to check out jobi.ai, where you can find hundreds of Python job openings. New opportunities are added daily, making it your go-to site for the latest Python jobs ready to kickstart your Python career. Happy job hunting! Subscribe to our channel for more career tips and job updates. See you next time.